Assalamualaikum. Today we are making quick and cheesy garlic bread, a perfect snack in just 1 minute. Start by taking a few fresh bread slices. In a small bowl, mix soft butter with finely chopped garlic and a tiny pinch of salt. Spread this garlic butter mixture evenly over the bread slices. Now sprinkle a generous layer of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. For extra flavor, add oregano and chili flakes. Place the bread in a preheated oven or air fryer and cook at 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese melts and turns golden. Once ready, cut the slices into halves and serve hot. Gooey, cheesy garlic bread is ready to enjoy with your family. Like, share, subscribe. Hijabi Bites for more quick recipes. JazakAllahu Khair.